probation for 4 years. You're ordered to pay a $300 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. One of those is going to be that you are through the Spindletop ATAR program, and probation will talk to you about that. They're going to do an assessment to figure out what help you might need with feeling depressed, with using marijuana, with having anger issues, whatever it is. If they say you need to go to a 30-day treatment, then you're going to go, or you're going to be back in here going to prison instead of 30 days, okay? If they say you need outpatients or whatever they say you need, I'm ordering you to do, whether you think you need it or not. That's so that you can be successful. You're also going to be required, at least for some amount of time, to wear a drug patch. You have 2 days, 48 hours to get that drug patch put on. Probation can tell you where you can go get those done. You have to get them changed every 2 weeks, okay? You did while you were on bond? Okay, so you're going to have to wear that because, and if they test positive, you know what's going to happen. Okay. I had one other thing I was going to, hold on. Obviously, you cannot be in possession of any gun. Okay. Oh, I know. You're going to get your GED. That should be important to you, just like it's important to me. So probation will tell you need to get that program started within probably 45 days or so. You need to start taking the classes, taking the test. It's only going to help you be more successful so that you can kind of break this cycle. I know you have your grandma. I know your history because I'm reading here with regard to your parents, and you want to do something different, right? So that's what we want you to do while you're on probation, is give you the tools to head your life in a whole different way. And getting your GED is going to help you get a better job and be able to do that. Okay, so that is part of your probation. All right. If you do everything you're supposed to on this probation, this is a great opportunity because you are not a convicted felon. So you can still get better jobs, you can still live places and go places, vote, all those things that everybody else can do. If you do violate your probation, you don't follow the rules, you're going to be back in here. You could become a convicted felon, and you could go to prison for anywhere up to 10 years. Do you understand? All right, I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation, this lady right here is going to call you up at her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. All right, take advantage of this opportunity so that you can be out there and help your grandma. Otherwise, you're not going to be. All right. Okay.